Hi friends, this is FirearmPop, and this is a video response to my good friend BROTHERSKEEPERs111 and 12,000 sub giveaway contest. I really appreciate that. Can't believe you're really getting there, my friend. It's nice. We've been sub to each other for a long time now. We've communicated quite a bit. And I appreciate you. I appreciate all your videos that you do. I watch them all, comment when I can, or I see something that needs commenting. But I really appreciate your witness, your experience, and the videos that you do. Okay, I'm going to forgive you that you're a lefty and you do all your shooting left-handed. So I guess it works because it works for you anyway. I'm just pulling your leg there. You want to see the pistol that I want this AC holster for, and I'm going to show you that right here. It's my Makarov P64. My Makarov P64. That's one of my two daily carry guns besides my Smith & Wesson Snubby. My P64 is my other choice for daily carry, and I'm showing you that here now. And I have already been subbed to AC for a while. That might have been on one of your previous videos, but I've been subbed to him for a while. And if I do have a chance to win the PMAG, because I live in the great communistic state of New York, will have to be shipped to my son, who also lives in New York, but he is a law enforcement officer, so he's allowed to have that. And I really do appreciate it. I appreciate your channel, and congratulations. What more can I say? This is FirearmPop. You be safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.